Okay, I'm going to be working on my Cub Cadet today. It's the 50-inch Kohler motor, and about a week ago I went to go start it. I had it parked, and I had to get one of my cars out of the garage, so it was about 0 degrees out. Went and started it, choked it, started right up, and after trying to idle it down, it died. So I went to go start it again, and all I heard was a loud clanking sound, and that was it. Thought something major went, sounded like I blew a rod or something major in the engine. After taking a look, I pulled my starter. I went and looked at the starter, and this is what there was. It had sheared off, broke right in half as soon as it, I'm guessing, you can just see it there. It looks almost like it's just sheared and broke off. Brittle cold, I guess, or quality of the metal. Not sure which caused it, but there it is. But I did call Cub Cadet. And the lady I talked to, Sarah, was real nice, and they kind of surprised when I said it broke in half, but that's what happened. It did break in half, and they sent me a new one out. Got it yesterday, shipped to me, and here it is. Pretty straightforward. 2 bolts hold it in place. These are 10 mils on these, and I think the starter cable is 11 mil. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt this back up here. And I assume the other one had this on there originally because it looks like it should be on there, and I guess it just helps keep the grease on it. So I'm gonna, doesn't say to remove it, doesn't look like it comes off, so this little black part I'm gonna leave on there. I didn't find the other black part, so I'm hoping it didn't fall up inside there. I've looked around inside here best I can. I can't really take the cover off. I don't see it on the ground, so we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna set this up and put this back on real quick. Okay, should just slide up right here. This bolt goes here. This one goes here with the cable attached. I just left it there so it moves it. And then 10 mil. It does say you should check your battery. Here's a little warning thing about all the problems they had. Check your battery, make sure you have like 12.4 volts out of it. And I do. Oops. Just getting a finger tight for now. Didn't have a torque spec on it. There we go, right there. Let's go with that. A little more torque it right there. And then I did have to take the other nut off the other one for the positive. Let's see here. This goes back on here. That's your positive. Positive. You're grounded, of course, to the body. And it's like 10 degrees out today, so a little chilly. And it's 11 mil right there, and we're gonna see what happens here. Let's hope it doesn't snap in half again. That should take care of that. And I'm gonna move the camera and start it up. All right, I'm going to try and start it. Chokey. Okay. Well, there you go. Yeah, like I said, nothing major. Cub Cadet, they did replace it. Otherwise, it's a Kohler starter. So, not much big of a deal to change it out if it does happen. And like I said, Kohler's, or Cub Cadet / Kohler, were very nice to send me a brand new one, because I think they're running between 60 to 120 bucks, counting on who you order from. So, if it does happen, there you go. It took me about a week to get the part, and it's all set to go. Next time, I'm just going to try and make sure it's not so cold when I go to start it, or maybe preheat the garage a little bit and see what happens. Thanks for watching.